Busy moms and dads know all too well that a family's hectic schedule often revolves around the kids. So today we're going to inspire you to do something for yourself, something to make you smile. And whitening your teeth can instantly make you feel better and can even make you look younger, which we love. I am joined once again by lifestyle consultant and former dental hygienist Annette Figueroa, who's here to demonstrate the Power Swabs teeth whitening system. It is so good to have you back, Annette.
Good to be here. Thank you so much for having me.
Okay, when you hear that a whiter smile, Annette, can make you look younger, some people might think that's an exaggeration, but it is far from that.
It is far from that. I mean, studies have shown that a whiter smile gives you the appearance of looking 13 years younger. So you go around, you worry about your body, maybe you do some of those expensive creams or procedures on your face, you smile and your teeth are yellow. It's pretty much all people are going to see. You can see right there in the picture the difference that's a digitally altered picture to show the difference between someone with white teeth and someone with yellow. She looks younger, she smiles more, probably will get hired faster.
I would say so.
Right?
I mean, that's a pretty obvious one.
Yes,
there.
exactly.
And you know, we do know that this year it's busy time for parents, for families. Kids are in sports, they're going back to school, right? We've got this big list of things to do. Some people might think, do I have time to put one more thing in there to whiten my teeth?
Well, Power Swabs is a revolutionary technology that actually whitens the teeth by 2 shades in 5 minutes and 6 shades in a week. It's an easy 2-step system. The first is a stain out, and it's going to remove the stain, and then it's going to whiten the teeth. So the stains are gone. They're not just covered up. And the beauty of Power Swabs is not only does it whiten your natural teeth, but it whitens your caps, crowns, and veneers to their original color, all in 5 minutes, even for the people with the busy schedules.
And we're watching the video of just how easy this is.
Yes.
It's almost like a Q-tip, right?
It is.
You just pop it out.
Exactly. It's a nice swab. It has a nice mild taste. It's so easy. It's like brushing your teeth. So if you could brush your teeth, you can do this. And I tend to multitask, so I'll be doing my hair as I'm swabbing. You can also focus on the tooth that is set back or one that's more stained. And you can see, and the other beauty of this, 0 to minimal pain.
Love that.
Yes, because this is derived from coconuts. It doesn't have the harsh chemicals as the others. And this, I think that's the win here, is that there's no pain, because you do the trays, gel strips, and they do work, but what's the cost? They're expensive, messy, and painful. I have friends calling me 2 days later going, what do I do? This is so painful. This you do not see that with.
And do you need to use this every single day? Is the maintenance a little different than after the first steps?
Well, Power Swabs gives a long-lasting, bright, white smile. It lasts up to 6 months. Everyone's different, but the fact that it works in 5 minutes, you can do it in the convenience of your own home, and you see these lovely guilty pleasures that we all love, from the wine to the chocolate to the strawberries to the blueberries. Anything dark stains your teeth. We have the Stain Out Quick Stick that you use after you have your glass of wine. You want to take a picture, put it on your teeth, lifts the stains before having time to set in. Amazing.
And we talk about some of these things that are around us that stain our teeth. And you might not think, because, you know, you eat chocolate, right? You swallow it all. How does that stain our teeth? But it does.
Yes, because anything with that dark color, you're talking root beer, Coke, you know, the red wine. They're even saying white wine, they found out, stains your teeth because of the grapes that they're derived from, has that staining factor. But even eating over time is just going to stain your teeth. So with 1 week, 5 minutes a day, you could literally have something going on this weekend and be 6 shades later by the time it comes around.
I love it. All right, and now how does Power Swabs results really compare to those other things you were talking about?
Right. Well, the differences are this was created by a dentist, so he took all the negatives. The cost, a fraction of the cost. The pain, 0 to minimal pain. The fact that it restores caps, crowns, and veneers to their original color. Quick, easy convenience of your own home, to be done in 5 minutes. You see the chart right there, all Power Swabs, green checks on all the lists, just like I mentioned. And I think the two main wins are the fact that there's no pain and it restores the caps, crowns, and veneers, because they're so expensive. You can spend thousands of dollars on changing the caps, crowns, and veneers, and now this restores it. And look at the shade difference. That's a 6-shade difference, and that comes in a week, 5 minutes a day.
A week, 5 minutes. It's unbelievable, but it actually is true. We have seen it happen. So let's let people know, how do you order Power Swabs?
Okay, well, we have a special for daytime Columbus viewers. Buy two, get one free. You could literally keep them all for yourselves or keep a couple, give one for a gift. They get free shipping, and we're throwing in 3 Staying Out Quick Sticks, which I'm telling you, you are going to become addicted and people will take those from you. So you will need the 3, trust me.
Annette, I love it. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank
the
you for having
website,
me.
the phone number, both on screen so people know how to order
Yes.
their sets.
Powerswapswhite.com.
All right. Thanks, Annette.